Hello everyone, today we're looking at the word carriage. Let's dive into three essential definitions. 1. A separate section of a train designed for carrying passengers. Example: the train was very full and we had to walk through 4 carriages before we found an empty seat. 2. The act or the cost of transporting goods from one place to another. This is a formal term often used in shipping and invoices. Example: the total cost of your order is $500, which includes carriage to your warehouse. 3. A moving part of a machine that supports or moves another part. You'll most commonly hear this in the context of vintage typewriters or large industrial printers. Example: when you reach the end of a line on a manual typewriter, you have to push the carriage back to the right. So, whether you are hopping on a train, paying for shipping, or using a mechanical machine, you now know exactly how to use the word carriage. If this helped you to improve your English vocabulary, please hit the like button and subscribe for more word breakdowns. Leave a comment below using the word carriage in a sentence. See you next time. Bye.